Change the angle of your video, images, or text with corner pinning. For our first example, we will make it appear as though the video I recorded of my screen is playing on a computer monitor. In the media bin, there are two pieces of media: a video that contains a blank computer monitor to use as the background, and a video recording of my screen to place on the computer monitor. First, click and drag the background video to the timeline. Next, click and drag the screen recording video from the media bin and place it on the track above the background track. As you can see, the screen recording fills my screen, and you cannot see the computer monitor. To adjust it, select the screen recording video, then click on corner pin mode above the canvas. You'll see a red outline appear around the selected video. Click on the corners and drag the circles to match them with the corners of the computer monitor screen. Let's see how it looks. For our next example, we'll take a text animation and place it on an angle in line with the mountain. First, click and drag the background video and add it to the timeline. Next, find a text animation from the Camtasia library you'd like to use. I chose to use Big Type 1. Please note that the Camtasia library may not look exactly the same depending on the version you're using. I encourage you to explore the library to find the title or text animation that works best for you. I'll update the text in the Properties panel. The text is currently flat on the screen. Click on Corner Pin mode and adjust each corner until the text is on the angle you desire. Let's preview it. For our last example, we will create a magical moving picture frame. To get started, I chose an image of a picture frame for the background and a video of a person smiling. Click and drag the background image to the timeline. I'm going to click and drag to extend the length of the time the picture frame appears in the video. Then click and drag the video onto a track above the background image. Click on Corner Pin mode and adjust the video to align with the corners of the picture frame. Just like that, you have a magical picture frame. There are so many ways to use corner pinning in Camtasia. Have fun creating, and thanks for watching.